Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I've got a new Bulq.com case, new toys, games, Disney stuff in here, 54 items. I only paid $58 for it. I was super excited to find it. Shipped it for $30, so I'm all in at $88, which makes each item worth $1.62. So let's go ahead and see what's inside. Alrighty, so let's just go ahead and open this thing. All right, ooh, it's very full. 54 items, I thought it wasn't gonna be as full, but it is. Smooshy Mooshy Food Factory. It's a game. Food Factory game. Swap, restart, and collect tokens to win. Here, let me show you the back. See? Mooshy Mooshy. Sounds funny. Fun little kids game. That's going to be perfect. So if you watch the second listing video that I do on this box, it will show you where everything is going to go. Woodland Walkways connector set. 9 sidewalks and 2 trees. This set includes sidewalks. So it looks like it's just the sidewalks.
Yeah, 9
and
sidewalks.
The trees. So it goes. Look, you can get it to connect to other buildings. Cool. So that's kind of cool. Oh, look, there's another one. So if you already have some of these sets, that'd be cool. Or they can build sidewalks for their little toys or Barbies or whatever. What is this guy?
OMG.
OMG. What
OMG
is it?
Pets.
OMG Pets. There's a little carrier for that little dog to go in. Look at it. Look at the back. That dog is stinking.
Cool.
That is a cute dog. Look at that cute dog. That's an adorable dog.
Noise? Is it rough? It says like that.
Opens into a little puppy play set. Sounds and reactions. Yes, he does make noise.
That's cool.
I don't know how to make him make noise. Maybe you have to... I don't want to break the packaging. Alrighty, what else we got in here? A fuzzy unicorn thingy. Creepy looking.
It looks like a bear. They're like, they're not selling. I don't know what we'll do.
Well,
Let's put a unicorn horn on top.
That's exactly what it is. A unibear.
Of course, the face.
It's clearly a horse face.
Yeah,
you know what? Maybe they made the body and they like detached the head and just put a new head on.
Or the head, the teddy bear head came out weird and they're like, crud,
Yeah.
what do we do?
I don't know what I am.
Unicorn. Put a horn on top of its head.
Just sparkly unicorn. It's a glittery unicorn horn. That'll sell.
It's probably worth
$40 unicorn head. Yeah, I know. All right. Oh, these are cool. Head hacker game.
Hackers.
Yep. We've got. Do we have these listed somewhere? I feel like we
Not
do.
those.
All right. We're gonna probably put these on Hooked on Pickin, but we'll see. We got a couple of them. There's a ton of new stuff. Do you want to show them the new stuff while I pull multiples of these out?
This looks cool.
Remember, you have to talk loud so they can hear you through my mic.
Sport. Limited edition.
So we got Bubbles and Chicka-Pigs and lots of plushies.
Don't forget the fart launcher.
Fart Launcher 3000. We've got some hair dryers. We got some daggers, medieval daggers, Frozen doll. I do have, I just added my Peak jump starter. We got some pet items. There are some stuff actually way up over there too. Some pet beds and larger items that I have listed over there. It's Hatchimals, things like that. So, alrighty. Fortnite. Boom. Those are cool. Do they go with something or are they just figurines? Domies. Cool. Omega, Rust Lord Rex, and Cuddle Team Leader. Alrighty then. Alright. What's this? Oh, look. Super Squishy Charm. Frozen. There's lots of requests for Frozen in my mystery boxes. Kind of wrong season. You can make him a mermaid.
That is really weird.
It's super creepy, look.
It's a mermaid costume for your elf on the shelf.
Okay then. You know what though? If your little girl is into mermaids, she'll love it. She'll love it.
Sure.
Oh, this is cool. Maybe for marbles or water. This looks like a water toy because this is a water toy.
Take it to the
Sand and water wheel.
Yeah.
Yeah, perfect. Ooh, this is fun. You need this while you're in quarantine. Where you can play catch. That's a fun one. So we will do a second listing video. Check that out because you'll see where I put each item. Some on Hooked on Pickin, some on Amazon. Does this light up? More Than Magic light up pen. Yeah, it's supposed to light up. So I just can't press the button.
Unicorn.
Yeah, it's a unicorn. What is this? This is an iridescent something. Feels like a candle or something. You know what it feels like? One of those things you put at the bottom of a helium balloon so it doesn't float away.
Probably is.
That's probably all it
It's
is.
like a wedding favor.
Yeah, it does. Okay. Oh, we sold some of these. We put these in our mystery boxes. I may list these individually just because these, I've got 2 of them. So it's a doggy do game. Because that's what, you can add that to the Fart Launcher 3000 and just make a themed gift for
Right.
Easter or something. Well, it's probably past Easter now, but
Box of crap.
here's a box of crap. But games have been selling great on my store. So let's see, what else is this? Oh, here's another one of those connector things. Ooh, look at that guy. Marvel Legends series.
Was going for $19.99.
Nice.
It's about $10.
Ooh, here's some more of these pens. Look at, got a heart one and a star one. Let's see if I can reach this one way down here. Another heart one. These would go great in my girls' mystery boxes, and I need some more girl stuff because we've been blowing out of those mystery boxes. What is this? Fast Fish. Who will land the catch of the day in this fast-flowing color recognition game? Roll all 3 dice and race to be the player to spot the sea creature that matches the combination of colors and then grab it first. There'll only be one with an exact match. Ooh, that's clever.
Very cool.
You cannot play this if you are colorblind. There's a bunch of those. Ooh, this looks like a fun game. I mean, I think it's for any. It says ages 6+, but it looks like a really fun game that you could play with anybody. I'd be interested in playing. Here's another one, and another one. Games are selling great right now. Marvel Avengers Target limited edition T-shirt. Right? Is that a T-shirt? Pop tees, yeah. Short sleeve T-shirt inside. Cool.
Size large.
Yeah, size large. We'll put that on Hooked on Pickin. Here is a cinnamon roll set. I think we got these. Where do we have these listed?
Mystery boxes.
Mystery boxes. So this one will end up going into a girl's mystery box probably. Unless you want your little boy to have it, that we can accommodate. Just shoot me an email. Woody. Talking Woody. He talks?
Do you have glitter on his head?
He's got one of those in there. Oh, balloon weight. It is a balloon weight.
Glitter.
He's just got confetti from another toy, is all. All right, let me see. I'm trying to see how he taught. Press here.
What are you doing out here? Reach for the sky.
Reach for the sky.
Operation Pull Toy. What are you doing out here? Reach for the sky.
Cool. Well, he works good. I'll have to get the
Doesn't
confetti.
say There's a snake.
There's a snake in my boots.
Operation Pull Toy. What are you doing out here? Reach for the sky.
Oh, you're right. There's a snake in my boots. All right. Yeah.
I think those balloon weights is where the confetti's coming from.
Probably.
Yeah.
Here's some more of these. I've been selling these on Amazon Merch Fulfill, and they've been blowing out. I don't specifically put these in my mystery boxes because although I think they come with a little figurine inside, they're made specifically for people who own a Leapfrog kind of game console. And so I don't want to put these in the mystery boxes because if you don't own a Leapfrog game console, then it's useless to you. So I've been putting these on Merch by Amazon, not selling them for a lot, maybe like $2-3 a piece, but it's still a profit nonetheless. All right. Oh, here's another one of those Fortnites. Same, I think, set. All right, what else we got in here? What is this? Well, since we've got doggy do games and a fart launcher, we need a butt head. Brain Fart is his name.
I realize his face is a butt.
That's weird. What is wrong with our society these days?
Sure. Loud and proud.
Loud and proud. Oh my goodness. You know what? Somebody has a kid out there that will love that. Okay, this is super duper heavy. Slime bucket. Look, it's a bunch of different colors though.
Yeah.
So we'll probably put that on Hooked on Pickin'. We'll see. 3 pounds of slime, because that's needed in your life. All right, what else is in here? Oh, we blew out of one of these really fast. We had the really mad Unikitty, but these sell really fast. The Lego Unikitty plushie. So we'll see if we can put that on Amazon or Hooked on Pickin'. Then we've got some little toys here. Oh, this is cool. Okay, so it's a unicorn, but it's like one of those poppers. So it pops a little Nerf ball. That's cool. Look, we got a bunch of them. That's a unicorn. This is a reindeer, a gray kind of deer. Another gray deer. Santa. So those are cool. Those would be really fun to play with. Oh, we got another unicorn. What is this? More dude. This is another game where you say dude. Surfers say dude. Robots say dude. Lots of different people say dude. Contents. 12 surfer dude cards, 12 robot dude cards, 12 pizza box dude cards, 12 pirate dude cards, 12 ghost dude cards, and 12 cowboy dude cards, and the rule. Ages 13 plus, 3 to 6 players. Playtime, it says. A little while. More dude. Dude! You need this game. Another game. Spider-Man Lego set. Oh man. There's not a gold bar, but there's a silver bar. We put the gold bar in one of our mystery box. Okay, I'm going to pull all these balloon weights out.
Might have pyrite. They put stickers over all the wonderful things that you can find. Might find probably a piece of silver and then various different other cool little stones.
All right. Oh, these are cool. We put these in our mystery boxes too. It's a Hasbro Collect All 24 Beach Day Cutie Mark Crew. It's basically like a mystery thing. Is it My Little Pony? All right. Silver bar. What is this? Little Big Bites for real. Another mystery kind of box. Some ribbon. Disney Princess ornaments, decorations.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Hallmark.
Yep. Come on. Can't reach it. All right, here's another one of those reindeer poppers. And you want to know the last thing in this box is...
Boom.
Yeah. Spirit DreamWorks. That's one of the new DreamWorks ones, but it's the horse that goes with it. That's really... Yeah. That's really cool.
It's a horse.
Yeah. That's awesome. So we will do a second listing video, just so you know. Here's all the stuff that we found. And some of the stuff is going to go into our mystery boxes. If you're interested in a mystery box, a lot of times I'm sold out until I open another toy box. So I'll be putting more mystery boxes on since I've just unboxed this. But we'll be doing the listing video to see exactly how much we made. Remember, we spent $88 total on this. Let's see if we can make the $88 back up and see how much we'll put in the mystery boxes and how much we'll list individually on Hooked on Pickin'. But if you're interested in most of this, it's going to go on Hooked on Pickin'. But we'll see exactly what we can list also on Amazon. Like, remember I said I was going to list those Leapfrog eggs on Amazon. So some things will go on Amazon, but I like to put a lot of it on Hooked on Pickin because I'm not paying the crazy amount of fees like I am on Amazon. So we'll see how much we make, and hopefully it's been fun seeing what exactly we found in this Bulq.com case of new toys and games with some Disney stuff in it. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. Hey, thanks for watching. I just inventoried all my stuff on Hooked on Pickin and added a ton of new things, like this Fortnite character. You too can buy this at hookedonpickin.com for a super, super discounted price. So if you're interested in any toys or games or pet items, or maybe even a portable battery starter for your vehicle or lawnmower, we've got all sorts of stuff like that. So check out hookedonpickin.com.